Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Harley Davidson Breakout 117. Harley Davidson has once again raised the bar in the cruiser motorcycle segment with the launch of its highly anticipated 2025 Breakout 117. This latest addition to the iconic Breakout lineup promises to deliver unparalleled performance, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology, cementing its place as a leader in the world of power cruisers. At the heart of the Harley Davidson Breakout 117 beats a potent Milwaukee 8117 V-twin engine, boasting a displacement of 1923 cubic centimeters. Renowned for its muscular torque and exhilarating acceleration, the engine provides riders with a thrilling experience whether cruising through city streets or embarking on long-distance journeys. The refined powertrain ensures smooth power delivery, complementing the Breakout 117's aggressive design and commanding presence on the road. The 2025 Breakout 117 exemplifies Harley Davidson's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and style in the cruiser motorcycle category, said Johann Zeitz, Chairman, President, and CEO of Harley Davidson. With its bold design, enhanced features, and powerful engine, the Breakout 117 is designed to appeal to riders who demand uncompromising performance and a distinctive riding experience. Visually captivating, the Harley Davidson Breakout 117 features a muscular and aggressive stance that commands attention. The bike's design highlights include a wide, slammed front end, robust inverted forks, and premium finishes that emphasize its raw power and craftsmanship. Rider comfort is prioritized with a low-slung seat, forward foot controls, and ergonomically designed handlebars that ensure a comfortable and commanding riding position. Innovation and technology are seamlessly integrated into the Breakout 117, featuring Harley Davidson's advanced suite of rider assistance systems. These include traction control, electronic throttle control, and optional reflex defensive rider systems (RDRS) for enhanced safety and control in various riding conditions. A state-of-the-art digital display provides riders with essential information at a glance, while optional connectivity features enable seamless integration with smartphones for navigation and communication. Industry experts have praised Harley Davidson's approach with the Breakout 117, recognizing its potential to appeal to riders seeking uncompromising performance and distinctive styling in a cruiser motorcycle. The Breakout 117 combines Harley Davidson's iconic design with modern performance enhancements, making it a standout in the competitive cruiser segment, remarked motorcycle journalist Emily Davis. Its powerful engine, aggressive aesthetics, and advanced technology set a new standard for performance cruisers. Enthusiasts worldwide eagerly await the availability of the Harley-Davidson 2025 Breakout 117 at dealerships, eager to experience firsthand its formidable performance and iconic design. With its blend of heritage-inspired aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and legendary Harley-Davidson craftsmanship, the Breakout 117 reaffirms Harley-Davidson's reputation as a leader in delivering extraordinary cruising experiences.